Hey, it's Jeremy from Retro Shop, and today in the shop we have a Jeep JK. We have added the Oracle Oculus headlights to. And here you can see we've got these set for the outer rings on red, demon eyes on red, and the inner on white. We are controlling these with the XK Glow controllers. We have two of them on the mix here, so the outer rings and the demon eyes are one. And then we have the inner halo on a secondary controller. Let's go ahead and do a show mode here. Let's do, so this one is called Veterans Day. Let's pick another one. So here we have Happy New Year. Let's go to Thanksgiving Day. So here's a Thanksgiving theme. And let's do the strobe one. Should be, well, here's St. Patrick's Day. Strobe one's the last one there, hit that. There you go. So here's an emergency strobe. So as you can see, we have a few different options that you can select. Let's go back to our standard colors here. And this is our startup feature, startup mode. So every time that these come on, they just go to this color. Now, obviously, red is not legal. So keep that in mind when you're looking to do this to your own vehicle. But if you have any questions about this build or any other builds that we do here or installs, hit us up via the methods listed in the post. Thank you very much.